Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first video of unboxing and today I am going to unbox the Palmonas. So recently আমি খুব ইনস্টাগ্রামে পালমোনাসের ভিডিওস সাদা কাপড়ের ভিডিওস দেখি and আমি চেক করি কি ওখানে মোটামুটি ভালোই অফার চলে লাইক বাই ওয়ান গেট ওয়ান ফ্রি ইজ অলওয়েজ গোয়িং অন বাট নাও on their third birthday so they are giving out 3 products in 3003 rupees. So this is a good deal for me. So I have ordered 3 products and let's unbox it. So let's see how this looks. This is one product. Nice. The shine is very good. It looks nice. Let's unpack the other one. This is the second one. The quality of this product is very good. Let's try this one. Ah, nice. So Palmonas promise that their products will be anti-tarnish and anti-allergic. They provide also the lifetime warranty of these products. This is the third product I have ordered. So 2 chains with lockets and this is a bracelet. Sorry, this is a bracelet. So normally I am making shorts of unboxing, but this is my first video of unboxing. Nice. The build of these products, like you can see the beads are connected with the chain. Like build quality is very good, and you also look at the shine of this product. So that the shine is very good and the detailing is also very good. That a heart at the end. Bye, see you soon. Ta-da.